Good morning and Sai Ram to all. Welcome back to your maths online classes. I hope you all have did previous chapter in your book and in your workbook. Children, now in this video we'll start new chapter number 14, Birds Come, Birds Go. Birds come and birds go means same addition and subtraction. Okay, so this chapter number 14 is based on addition and subtraction. Just like we did addition and subtraction in previous chapter, we have to do in this lesson as well. Okay. So, without wasting our time, let's start with chapter number 14, Birds Come, Birds Go. As I told you previous, we can add and subtract with the help of our fingers, isn't it? And with the help of finger portions. So many methods of addition and subtraction I have told you previously. So in this chapter again we'll use these methods for addition and subtraction. Okay? Okay, let's start. Chapter 14, Birds Come, Birds Go. Open your books, everybody, page number 111, chapter 14, Birds Come, Birds Go. What is written here? These children are playing and they are watching the birds. Hey, there are 25 birds here. Look up, look up. Some new birds are coming. These children are talking with each other, isn't it? Okay. One said, let's count them using our cards. 1 10 card for the whole group. This card is showing for 10 birds. 10 birds means one group. Okay? Then 4 and 6 1 cards for this group of birds. It means this triangular card they are using for one bird. Okay, so how many birds are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So for these 6 birds they are using this triangular card, and for one group means for 10 birds they are using which card? This yellow card. Okay, same down is written. So these cards show 16 birds. So 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So these cards show 16 birds. This show 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. It means these blue cards and 110 card show how many birds? 16 birds. Okay. Let's move on next page. What is given in next page? Soon 25 more birds flew in. Let us add to see how many birds in all there are row. Here 16. How many more birds? 25 more birds. How many more birds? 25 more birds. So this one showing this card, and this 6 number is showing these triangular card. So 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Same down. 2 is showing 2 10 card, or 5 is showing 5 blue cards. Okay, this is loose and this is group. This is not in group. This is only blue is showing group, and this only yellow is showing group, and this blue is showing loose. Okay. Now we'll add. Okay. Same. 6 plus 5. First we'll add tens ones place, and then we'll add tens place. So first we'll add 6 and 5. This 6 and 5, as previous we have done addition and subtraction. So I hope you all know how to add and subtract, isn't it? Okay. Now this 6 and 5 we'll add first. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So look here, these cards, these are, how many cards are here? 11 blue cards are here. So if 11 blue cards are here, so 10 blue cards make one yellow card, isn't it? So this one will write down in the place of ones, and this one will write up in the place of tens. Okay. Now 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 will go up for carry. Now we'll add these three numbers. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So here this is example for you only. Okay. So here answer is given. This is already done for you. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 1 will write in the place of ones, and 1 will go up in the place of tens. Then we'll add these three numbers, 1 plus 1 and then 2 plus 2. Okay. Now let's move on. Next page. Page number 114. Page number 114. What is given in this page? How many cranes and swans? How many cranes and swans? So what is written here? There are 31 cranes and 39 swans. What number is given? 31 cranes and 39 swans. Okay, so let us find out how many swans and cranes there are in all. In all means, what is the meaning in all in maths? It means this is the sum of addition. We'll add these cranes and these swans, isn't it? So, in the same way, we'll add the number of swans and cranes. Here, number of swans is given. How many swans are there? Swans are 39. And how many cranes are there? Cranes are 31. Now we'll add cranes and swans. Okay. 39. 3 shows group of 10. It means 3 10 card. And 9 means loose cards for this 9 number. So it is showing blue one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And down what is written? How many cranes are there? 31. So again this 3 showing these yellow card, and 1 is here this blue card, isn't it? Okay, now we'll add. First we'll add ones place, 9 and 1. We'll add 9 and 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. If we'll add all these cards, it means it becomes 10. So we'll write here 0 and 1 will go up for carry, isn't it? Okay. Now first we'll add these two numbers, carry and this 3. Okay. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So the total number of swans and cranes is, yes, 70. Total number of cranes and swans is equal to 70. So we'll write here 70. Easy now? Okay, let's move on. Next page. Page number 115. What question is given here? One morning, Suraj saw that out of 70 birds, only 26 birds were left. Out of 70, how many birds are left? Only 26 were left. The rest had gone away. So you will find how many birds had gone away. How many birds have gone away? You will find. Okay. So how you will find? Gone away means this is the sum of addition or subtraction. What is written here? Gone away. It means this is the sum of subtraction. Isn't it? Sign is also given here. This is the sum of subtraction. So, how many birds, total birds are there? There are total 70 birds. And how many had gone away? How many are left? 26 are left. Now, how will find how many birds had gone away? With the help by subtraction. Okay. Now, we'll subtract these numbers. 0 minus 6. First we'll subtract 1's place and then we'll subtract 10's place. So 1's place, what number is given? 0 and 6. We'll subtract 6 from 0. Is it possible? Can we subtract 6 from 0? Yes. Can we subtract? No. Why? Because 0 is smaller than 6. Isn't it? 0 is smaller than 6. So what should we do? We'll borrow one number from its neighbor. Who is the neighbor? 7. 7 is the neighbor of 0. So 7 will give one number to 0. So 0 become 10 and 7 become 6. Isn't it? Because the 7 is given one number to 0. So 0 become 10 and 7 become 6. Okay. Now we can subtract because now 10 is bigger number. 10 is greater than 6. Now from 6 onward we'll start counting and we'll count. We have to count up to 10. So start counting 7, 8, 9, 10. So what you will write? Yes, we'll write 4. What you will write here? 4 will write. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Now we'll subtract 10's place. 6 minus 2. So from 2 onwards we have to count up to 6. So start counting after 2 up to 6. Start 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you will write here? Yes, we'll write here 4. So the birds have gone away. How many birds have gone away? 44. So what you will write here in this blank also? 44. Okay. Now Suraj's father said what he said? Suraj, don't be sad. Let us hope they come back next year. Who come back next year? Birds. Who will come back? Birds will come back. Okay? Okay. Let's move on. Next page. Now open page number 116. Here some word problems are given. We'll solve these word problems. Okay? What is first one? Rahul scored 23 runs in a cricket match and Dhoni scored 69. How many runs did they make in all? Here what word is given? All. So all means this is the word problem of addition. Already sign is given here. Okay. If all is given in any word problem, it means this is the word problem of addition, isn't it? Okay, let's start with addition. What number is given? 23. So 2 is written in the place of tens and 3 is written in the place of ones. Same 69, 6 will write in the place of 6 and 9 is written in the place of 6 is written in the place of tens and 9 is place of ones. Okay, so first we'll add which place? Ones place, isn't it? So first we'll add these 3 and 9. So 3 plus 9. We can keep bigger number in our mind. Okay, and from 9 onwards we have to count 3 more, isn't it? So after 9 count 3 more. Start counting. 10, 11, 12. So how many finger did we count, or finger parts did we count? 3 more. So start counting again. 9, 10, 11. Sorry. After 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So what we'll write here? This 12. This 2 will come in place of ones and this 1 will go in place of tens. Here carry. Okay. Now we'll add these carry and this 2 first. Okay. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. If we'll add if we'll add 1 with any number, the next number will come. Okay. Remember, if we will add 1 with any number, next number will come. Like we'll add 2 plus 1 equals to 3. If we'll add 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. If we'll add 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So if we'll add 1 with any number, next number will come. Got it? Okay. Now 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So total runs they make in all is equal to 92. So here also you will write 92. Okay, 92. They made how many runs? They made 92 runs in all. Okay, now next one. Second word problem is Dima sold 48 shawls in a fair. Next day he sold 17 more shawls. How many shawls in all did he sell? Again, what is given here? In all. So in all means this is the word problem of addition. Correct? Right now? Okay. So first here we'll put the sign of addition. Okay. Now what number is given? Number is 48. 48 and 17. So 48. 48. It means 4 will write in the place of tens and 8 will write in the place of ones. Okay. And in 17, 1 will write in the place of tens and 7 will write in the place of ones. Now we'll add. Okay. So first we'll add which place? Ones place. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 8 is bigger number. So this 8 will keep in our mind, and from 8 onward we have to count 7 more. Okay. So start counting after 8. Okay. So start counting 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have counted now 7 more. So how many fingers did we count? 7 more fingers. So what is our answer? Yes, 15. So what we'll write here? 5 will write here in the place of ones, and 1 will go up for carry. Now we'll add these two numbers first, 4 and 1. So 4 plus 1, as I told you, if we'll add 1 with any number, next number will come. So after 4, what will come? 5. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And 5 plus 1. Again we'll add 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So the shawls Dima sold in all is equal to 65. Isn't it? Addition and subtraction is very easy, na? Yes. Okay. Now this last one. Last word problem you will do yourself. Okay. Here you will put sign also. Whether it is addition word problem or it is subtraction word problem. Okay. You will mention sign also. Okay. So this is your homework. This you will do yourself. This word problem is your for homework. Okay. Okay. Now, thank you and Sai Ram. We'll meet in next video.